Hello, it's me, Nita, and Nita's Home Decor and Lifestyle TV. If you are new, then welcome. But if you just keep riding out with your girl, I ain't gonna keep telling you what to do. You already know what I do. Dust your feet off. I'm gonna tell you anyway, just dust your feet off and get on in here. But y'all, in today's video, guess what? I finally got my dining room table set. I'm so excited, and that's what we are gonna be doing today. I'm gonna show y'all this dining room table set. And we are gonna be styling it. I'm gonna style it in a very elegant, simple summer style. And when I say simple summer, I'm getting visions of clean, open, airy, light, fresh, bright, beautiful. That's my goal, y'all. That's what we're gonna accomplish today with decorating this dining room table. Let's get started. I purchased from City Furniture this dark solid wood rectangular table and 4 beige upholstered chairs. It did not come as a set. The table was on one end of the store and the chairs were all the way on the other side of the store, set up with an entirely different table. But guys, when I tell you this table is just what I wanted, this is just what I was looking for. I was looking for something that had a rich, dark tone. I wanted it to be solid wood, and I was looking to have the edges very clean and streamlined and straight. I wanted no curvature to the table whatsoever. And I like the fact that the base is also very streamlined. Very, very modern, no curves. And I like the fact, although it's modern, I do think it blends well with other styles. And you are looking now at the chairs. They are in a light beige upholstery. The trim on the chair is also in a dark tone, solid wood, which is giving me a very simple and clean style as well. I also like the fact that the cushions were pretty thick on these chairs. And it also came with a leaf, a removable leaf. And this leaf extends the table to about 95 inches, I believe. And without the leaf, it shrinks it to 72 inches wide. But either way, with or without the leaf, I think it fits really perfectly in my space. So we are going to move over to the items that I'm going to be using on setting up this table. These are salad bowls, and I got these from my mom. She was cleaning up and cleaning out some of her dinnerware. And so I decided to take these, and they are going to work perfectly on this table. And then I also have these white dinner plates. These came in a set that I got from Walmart. Then I'll be using these candle holders. These came from Hobby Lobby. I'll also be using what I call our dessert glasses. I got these from my mom as well. She was cleaning up and cleaning out, and I said I'll take them. These clear glasses with the gold trim or the gold rim, these came from Home Goods. Then I have these wine glasses, which I think came from Home Goods as well. A lot of this stuff, guys, I already had. The only thing that is new are these candle holders. So these are the only things that are new. Also, I have new florals. These came from Hobby Lobby as well. I'll go ahead and show you these floral stems. These floral stems, I purchased them on, today is Wednesday. This video is going out tomorrow on Thursday. So you guys are watching this video, it's Thursday. And I purchased these on, I think it was Tuesday. And they had all of their floral stems 50% off. So these all was 50% off. So I have these super long floral stems here. I've already bent them. with these little flower buds, and these were $7.99, and actually all of these stems were $7.99. So I just picked up 3 of those super long ones, and I picked up 3 of these lilies. I think they're lilies. I'm not sure what type of lily, calla lilies, I'm not sure. But I picked these up as well. Again, all of them were $7.99 with 50% off. And then I also have these floating candles that I've already had from Walmart. Bloopers! And I ain't editing this out because y'all gonna see what be real. What we go through. Y'all gonna see what we really go through. Child, we be messing up sometimes. And then we be editing it out. I ain't got time for all that today. I'm leaving this right in this video. Okay. We're gonna keep this in this video today. And then I have this silver goldware that I'm gonna be using. All this came from Walmart. Walmart. These table napkins, had these for a while too. Amazon. I like that they are so silky. They're really light. The fabric is really light, and I like the crinkle, the natural crinkle in the napkin. Then we have these chargers. You guys, if you're familiar with these chargers, you'll know they came from Hobby Lobby because they always happen. And these placemats, these came from Home Goods. I like these placemats. They are straw, they're light. I love the openness about these placemats. I love the design on it. It keeps the design very open. It keeps the design light and airy. And I love it because you'll still be able to see the table. So I love these placemats. Love them, love them. That's it. Let's go ahead and decorate this table. And wanted to show you guys, I just got my blinds in, guys. I have 4 Levolor blinds. They came from Lowe's. They were custom made to fit my windows. So they are also motorized, like the ones I have here in my living room. These are going in the back sunroom area, and the smaller blind, that's gonna go in the bathroom that we're remodeling. So, and that one is not motorized. So I'm so glad that these have arrived. So I just want to share that with you guys as well. So we are gonna go ahead and start styling the table, but I do wanna let you guys know, as always, how much I appreciate you guys always coming here, watching my channel and watching my videos. I wanna thank you guys so much for supporting my channel. I wanna thank you for hitting that like button, leaving your comments, and you guys, you know, I just can't thank you enough. It seems, you know, repetitious, always saying the same thing in each video, but I will not go without making a video and not letting you guys know that I appreciate you. And so once again, guys, I want to say thank you. I want to say thank you to all of my subscribers, my family members that stick around with me on every video. You're always there. You always show your face, and you know what? It just brings so much joy to me. So I just want to say thank you so much. But if you are new and this is your first time here, I want to say thank you so much for stopping by. Welcome. Thank you for clicking on this button to watch this video. If you like what you see, if you enjoying the content, you might as well hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you here. You may also hit that notification bell while you're at it, and that will help you stay notified each time I upload a video. So once again, guys, I want to say thank you so much and enjoy the rest of the video. Y'all, I'm the nosy neighbor. I can't do my job for being nosy.
Stays the same. Wake up, feel that emptiness of face. Wash away the pain and put some makeup on my face. Yeah. Every single day just stays the same. I am giving all to you in vain, but I guess I had it coming, so why should I complain? Why should I ever stop? Ever stop? Why should I give you up? Give you up? Every day, repeat itself. They say I'm out of my head, 'cause I keep telling myself one day you'll find me, and one day I'll find you, and we're off to what they call a good start. And then I wake up. Every single day just stays the same. Wake up, feel that emptiness of face. Wash away the pain and put some makeup on my face. Every single day just stays the same. I don't really care and it's a shame. I know I had it coming and I don't care to explain. Why should I?
And another one. Let me stop, child. I am not no DJ Khaled, but we over here at Nita's Home Decor and Lifestyle TV, we got another video, y'all. We got through another video. And so on that note, I want to say thank you, guys. And until the next time, stay well, be blessed, and I love you. And that's real. Bye-bye.